And here we are again. So I'm still working on the dad van, the Mazda 5. I still got to get this back together. So that's where I am right now. Get this jacked up a little bit, get it put back together, and then be done with that. And then I can jump over on the Mazda Mini. I'm hoping I can get that done this weekend. So we'll see how this goes. All right, all I got left is the 2 belts and to change out the AC pump. That's easy stuff. This is all put back together and ready to go. I've been putting away my tools because I like being organized. This side's all put back together and ready to go. All I got to do is fill up the fluid, transmission fluid, reconnect the battery, and like I said, that AC pump. So I'm excited about that because this is about done, and it's Friday night. I've got all day Saturday to be able to get some other things done. I'd really like to start taking some stuff apart on the Mazda, but I got to get this done and get it out of here. My wife is over there, cold as hell, huh? Yes. And she's sick, so poor little thing. I've got a stuffy nose, that's about it. So there is. See you guys in the morning. It's cold as fuck out here. All right, you're gonna hear the 4-wheelers in the background because I'm letting them warm up. brother-in-law, he called, setting up a time to go camping this coming summer or early summer. So, but anyway, got all the wheels on Little Goth. This is the one that's cracked. I still have to get, but I wanted to get those wheels back on there. I need to take the new one, but I went ahead and put these back on the dad van. I still have the AC pump to do on this. The new wheel for Little Goth is right there, and those are still for sale. The air struts for the Toyota 86, and then we'll be able to get started on this. Yeah. So almost there, getting really close. Wearing myself out trying to get all this done. I'm not as young as I once was. I mean, when I started doing this was like, what, 15 years ago now that I started working on all this kind of stuff and doing, I don't have the strength that I used to. So everything up here is back together. I've already ran it for a little while, making sure that there's no extra drips coming down at the bottom like there was, and there's not. So like I said, all I have left is the AC pump, and I don't have the wheel on just yet. That way it's easier. The AC pump is like right back behind there. So need to hook this up to the charger, and we'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Well, I got everything back together on the dad van. It's not in here no more, so I've got everything knocked out, but I'm running out of daylight. Like I said, I get tired quick. I need to do something about that. I'm working on that. Still trying to keep my weight off and eat healthier and end up having more energy. So everything's back in here. I got everything together. Now I got to take it somewhere and get the AC serviced. I've got a friend that can probably do that, so I will check that out and get that done. I still have to put the winch wiring back together on this so that the winch works, because it's in there but it still doesn't work. So that'll be the next thing. What else? This, I promise, next weekend, this is what's happening. We will be pulling shit apart on this, get it up in the air, get the wheels off, get the bed off, get it on blocks, get it leveled, whatever, and then we will commence to figuring out what we're going to do on the rear end. The front end's already bagged. I need to double check it, so that's what I'll be doing. I got to double check everything on that, make sure everything's going to be good, and then I'm probably going to end up having to take the cab off of this one. This is going to be a longer build. It's not going to happen like overnight. So bear with me on this one, because it'll be, I don't even think this one will make it to any shows this year. This one will be a pretty long process if I do everything that I'm thinking I'm going to do. No, I'm not going to tell you, because if I don't do it, I don't want you guys hounding me to do more. But yes, we're going to do more on this one than we have on previous builds. So I've got so many ideas that I want to incorporate into this one build, and then that'll be over the next I want to say 2 to 4 years, because the Eclipse is going to be another thing. We're going to pretty sure we're going to have to get a motor for it, which that's fine. We put a battery on it and everything lit up, everything works, even the sunroof. We're pretty happy about that. But all the chrome will be coming off of this one, going on the blue one. I'll be using other parts and whatnot from that. That's going to end up becoming the donor. I got to get the motor out of it, put it on a stand. I can talk all night on this. Thank you for watching. Give me some thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Next weekend, we're going to take this shit apart. See y'all later.